Alright guys, some stuff showed up from Amazon. So we'll get that here dealt with. And so this is the test board that people complain about the connectors on. I probably shouldn't have ordered it. As soon as I ordered it, it went from $6 to $10. Okay, so these are the connectors that people are complaining about. So you can only take these on and off so many times. This is what's going to be on like a Mesh-tastic or whatever. Certain Wi-Fi routers, laptops inside, I think, use them. So people are like, well, why couldn't they have just did this or did that? Why didn't they put SMAs? Well, there is a board out there somewhere that has SMAs. I don't know about the Smith chart. I've never really understood the plotting of the Smith chart. I got a fly laying on the phone and on my hand. So I opened the garage door yesterday and now I'm paying for it. So this is to basically learn how to use your nano VNA for other things. So you have a low pass filter, 30 megahertz, a high pass filter, 100. These are all just surface mount components used to achieve that. This band pass filter is really weird because it's all like one little thing. And the band stop filter, I've seen these before, I don't know what it is. And then I guess the SWR, I can't read the number on it. Let's see. Well, it says 330 on it. So that's a 33 ohm resistor. What does this one say? X50 or 58? Okay. Or is it upside down? $85X? I don't know. Anyway, it's just a resistor. So, and then you have these other ones. That's just a capacitor and an inductor. And apparently this is their idea of a diagram for a resistor. Really not cool. The resistor schematic is not that. Is this some new Chinese changeover? So we've got a capacitor and a resistor. 68X or 89. I don't know which it is. And then this one is capacitor and an inductor. And then we have RC and LC circuits or whatever. So capacitor, inductor in parallel with the resistor. Again, that stupid diagram. Okay. And then actually you have the short, the open, and the load, which can be used to calibrate, although I highly don't recommend it, because every time that you use this, you're going to wear out these connectors. I honestly think like this is like a one-time use kind of thing. Like with these connectors here, you're screwed. And also, there's no repairing anything like this. I mean, maybe. So one of them is shorted, one of them has load, and then there's a through, and then an attenuator circuit, and that consists of 3 resistors. Looks like 2 of them go to ground and 1 in the middle. Interesting. 5 dB, 10 dB. So, what I think about this is it's cute, but I think it's not worth the $10. But you could seriously learn a lot, but you're not going to use it a bunch of times. It's going to break. It's definitely going to break. Let's just snap one of these on here and just see. Now they say there's a certain way that you should like pull these off and they'll last longer. Okay. So all right. Now, if you were going to use this a lot, maybe you could attach several sets of these on here. I don't think anything's like printed here on the back, so you could drill like holes through or something. Anyway, so these are pretty cool, but I'm gonna deal with it later. I just wanted to show you guys that, and I've got my tiny essay that I'm more interested in opening up, so we'll catch you guys in that video.